What's up guys, it's Jordan here and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be me tex-laxing my roots. So I usually do this sometimes, maybe like twice a year, so like every 6 months. I like to texturize or tex-lax the roots of my hair. And the roots, I just took out my braids a couple days ago and the roots of my hair are just like unmanageable. Like this part of my hair looks really good, but the roots are like crazy thick, like crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and like tex-lax it and I'm gonna show you. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I would love you. Just hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and you can stay updated on all of my uploads. So now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So this is what I'll be using today. It's the Olive Miracle like kitty perm. So it's a kid's relaxer. It's not a texturizer. This is a relaxer, but it's for kids, so it shouldn't be that damaging on my hair. And it's just, this is a touch up, so it's perfect just for the roots. I've done this before, guys. You can either use like a texturizer or a kitty perm or a normal perm, like a normal relaxer. Just put it on your hair for a shorter amount of time. So this comes with a little mixing tray with the pre-measured conditioning, the cream activator and the cream relaxer, and then the neutralizing shampoo and then a conditioner as well. So I'm just gonna part my hair in like 4 sections, like loosely part, like I'm not going in with the comb or anything. It's really like back hair, and like it gets super tight. The color treated part, so like from, honestly, just like from here up. So that much of my hair. neutralizing shampoo. Then I used this Not Your Mother's curl defining shampoo. And then I conditioned and detangled with the conditioner that came with it, this conditioner. With this conditioner, and I detangled with my diamond brush. Also, when I shampooed, I used my little shampoo brush and did that. So now I'm just gonna go in and do what I usually do before my wash and goes. I dried it with my with the t-shirt, so I'm just gonna add some water so to make it a little more damp. What I like to do for my spray bottles, I fill it up a little bit with water, and then I go in with this conditioner from Garnier Fructis. Put a little bit of that in there. And this is what I use to like refresh my curls. So even if I'm not using that conditioner or that leave-in for my wash and go, I use it to refresh my curls. If you want a whole video on how I refresh like my day 3, 4, 5, 7 sometimes day curls, be sure to leave a comment and a like down below. So just shake this up. And my hair was already so much easier to detangle. Like you can see, my roots are like silky smooth now. They're still gonna curl up though. So you can see like they're just like so silky smooth. And that's how I like my roots to be silky smooth and then the curls to be defined. In a couple months I may go in and like I'll sometimes just do like a little bit on my like the body of my hair. I was just scared to do that this time because this is the first time I'm doing it since I've dyed my hair. So just gonna saturate it. For leave-in, this is like my go-to wash and go that I'm doing. So I'm using the Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex 10-in-1, and I need to get more of this. I'm like right here. Dry and I'll be back. So this is my hair like 2-3 hours later. It's like 75% dry. I just had to spray a little bit in the back because it was getting like a little like frizzy without, had to add some more product to it. I guess I missed some spots. Show you this is what it looks like in the back, the top of my hair. I just really like it when like it's like my roots like lay down and then it goes in a curl. So like I love this look right here, this like wet look. And just as you can see, like my curls are still really defined. Like there's nothing wrong with my curls at all. It's like 9:30 right now, so let's see if I can stay awake for it to be completely dry, but I'll try to stay awake, guys. So this is it for now. So my hair is pretty much dry, guys, and it's just how I like it. Take a look at my roots. See, they're not completely straight. They're still wavy, still curly, just a little bit more manageable. This is exactly it. It blends really well. It has the right shape that I like. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. This wasn't really a tutorial because I'm not a professional. I have done this to my hair multiple times, but I'm really just showing you how I do mine. So do yours at your own risk. Probably should have said that at the beginning of the video. But yeah, guys, that's all. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the Just Jordy fam to see more of my face, which usually looks better than this because I have makeup on. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.